Hello students, I'm Sai Baba here. So in the earlier classes, I have discussed the solutions of the questions 1 to 30 in the assignment in simple harmonic motion. So in this class, I am going to show you the next set of questions in the assignment in simple harmonic motion. So in this class, I will be just showing the questions numbering from 31 to 60. That is 30 questions. Next set of 30 questions numbering from 31 to 60 in the assignment in simple harmonic motion. So at the end of the class, I will be showing you the answers for these questions. So, but I will not be discussing the solutions of these questions in this class. So I will be discussing the solutions of all these questions in my next class. That means I will start discussion of the solutions of the questions numbering from 31 onwards in my next class. So in this class, I will be just showing you the questions in the assignment in SHM numbering from 31 to 60. You get ready with your notebook and pen or rough papers and pen. You can start working out the questions one by one. So whenever you need more time to answer the question, take a pause and take your time. So after completing all the 30 questions, you check up your answers with the key which I will be showing in the end of the class. And don't get discouraged if you are unable to do good number of questions. You can go through the solutions which I discuss in the next classes. Then again come back to this assignment a bit later. Again you can work out the questions. Come on, look at the starting question number 31 in the assignment in simple harmonic motion. So I am going to read the question number 31 now. Look at the screen. For question number 31, I am going to read out the question. 3 masses 0.1 kg, 0.3 kg and 0.4 kg are suspended at the end of a spring. When the 0.4 kg mass is removed, the system oscillates with a period of 2 seconds. When the 0.3 kg mass is also removed, the system will oscillate with period. So I have shown 4 options on the screen. Then I am going to show the next question on screen. So those who need more time to answer the question number 31, they can take a pause and take the time. I have shown the 4 options again. First option 1 second, second option 2 seconds, third option 3 seconds, fourth option 4 seconds. So you can take a pause and try the question. I am going to show the next question. See the question number 32. So I am going to read the question number 32 now. An object suspended from a spring exhibits oscillations of period capital T. Now the spring is cut into 2 halves and the same object is suspended from the 2 halves in parallel. The new time period of oscillation will become. 4 options are given. First option T by root 2, second option 2T, third option T by 2, fourth option T by 2 root 2. Come on, you can take a pause and try to answer this question. So next I am going to show you the question number 33. So look at the question number 33 on the screen. A particle at the end of a spring executes simple harmonic motion with a period T1, while the corresponding period for another spring is T2. The 2 springs are connected in series. The corresponding period of oscillation T will be. So I am showing you the 4 options on screen. Come on. Take a pause and try this question. This question was given in the one of the previous AIEEE entrance exam papers, 2004. So next I am going to show the next question on the screen. So look at the question number 34. I am going to read the question number 34 now. A particle is executing simple harmonic motion. So a particle is executing a simple harmonic motion. What fraction of total energy is kinetic? When the particle is at a distance a by 2 from the mean position. A is the amplitude of oscillations. Assume potential energy equal to 0 at the mean position. So I have shown 4 options on the screen. Come on, take a pause and try this question. So I am going to show you the next question on screen. Question number 35. A particle executes simple harmonic motion between x equal to minus a to x equal to plus a. The time taken by it in going from 0 to a by 2 is t1. And from a by 2 to a is t2. Then 4 options are shown on the screen. First option t1 less than t2. Second option t1 greater than t2. Third option t1 equal to t2. Fourth option t1 equal to t2. Come on. Take a pause and try this question. So I am going to show the next question on screen. See the question number 36. The time period of simple pendulum is capital T. I am going to read the question number 36 again. The time period of simple pendulum is capital T. When the length is increased by 10 centimeter, its period is T1. When the length is decreased by 10 centimeter, its period is T2. And the relation between T1 and T2 is. So you are shown 4 options on screen. Come on, take a pause and try this question. Question was given in original EAMCET exam paper in 2004. So I am going to show you the next question on screen. See the question number 37. A body executes simple harmonic motion under the action of a force F1 at a period 4 by 5 seconds. The force is changed to F2. It executes simple harmonic motion with the time period 3 by 5 seconds. Both the forces F1 and F2 act simultaneously in the same direction. On the body, the time period in seconds is. So we are given 4 options on screen. Come on, take a pause and try this question. This question was given originally in EAMCET 2002. So next I am going to show the next question on screen. See the question number 38. The displacement x and velocity v of a particle executing simple harmonic motion are related through expression 4v square equal 25 minus x square. Then the time period is. Come on, copy down the equation and try to answer the question. Take a pause. Take a pause and try to answer the question. This question was also given in original EAMCET exam paper 2007. So I am going to show the next question on screen. See the question number 39. A point mass oscillates along the x-axis According to the law, x equal x naught cos omega t minus pi by 4. The active particle is written as small a equal capital A into cos omega t plus delta. Then you are given 4 options here. Come on, try the question. So come on, take a pause for this question number 39 and try the question. So in case you need more time, take a pause and try the question. I am going to show the next question on screen. See the question number 40. Two springs of force constants K1 and K2 are connected to mass M as shown. The frequency of oscillations of mass is F. Both K1 and K2 are made 4 times. The frequency of oscillations would become. 4 options are shown on screen. Come on, take a pause and try the question. So the mass of the block is denoted by M. Come on, try to complete the question. If you require more time, take a pause and complete the question. I am going to show the next question on screen. See the question number 41. A particle performs simple harmonic motion of period capital T, and the equation of motion is given by x equal to a sin omega t plus pi by 6. So the elapse of what fraction of time period? The velocity of the particle will be equal to half of its maximum velocity. So I have shown 4 options on the screen here. Come on, take a pause and try to complete the question. So I am going to show the next question on the screen. See the question number 42. A block P of mass M is placed on a smooth horizontal surface. A block Q of same mass is placed over the block P, and the coefficient of static friction between them is nu s. Spring of spring constant K is attached to the block Q. The blocks are displaced together to a distance A and then released. The upper block oscillates without slipping over the lower block. The maximum frictional force between the blocks is. Come on, take a pause. Take a pause and complete the question. So I am going to show you the next question on the screen. So I am going to show the next question on screen. Look at the question number 43. A pendulum has time period capital T for small oscillations. An obstacle P is situated below the point of suspension at a distance 3L by 4. The pendulum is released from rest. Throughout the motion, the moving string makes small angle with a vertical. The time after which the pendulum returns back to initial position is. Given 4 options in terms of time period T for oscillations of the length L. The length of the pendulum is here denoted by small letter L. Here, this must be small letter L. So come on, try the question here. Small L is the length of the pendulum. So in the figure here, this you have to take it as small L. That is actual length of the pendulum. Come on, take a pause and complete the calculation. So see the next question, question number 44. A simple pendulum has a time period capital T equal to 2 seconds in air. If the whole arrangement is placed in a non-viscous liquid whose density is 36% of the density of the bob, the time period of small oscillations in the liquid will be. So you are given 4 options on screen. First option 6 seconds, second option 2.5 seconds, third option 2 seconds, fourth option 5/8 seconds. Come on, take a pause and try the question. So I am going to show the next question on the screen. See the question number 45. A pendulum is fixed on a cart sliding without friction down an inclined plane of inclination theta with horizontal. The period of oscillation of the pendulum is. There are 4 options on the screen. First option 2 point root of L by G. Of course, you understood that L is the length of the pendulum. Second option 2 point root of L by G cos theta. Third option 2 point root of L by sin theta. You write here sin theta into G in the denominator to make it dimensionally correct. And fourth option 2 point root of L by tan theta into G. Come on, take a pause and complete the calculation. Take a pause and take your time to complete, answer the question. This comes under one of special cases I discussed. So look at the next question, question number 46. An object of mass 0.2 kg executes simple harmonic motion oscillations along the x-axis with a frequency 25 by pi hertz. At the position x equal to 0.04 meter, the object has kinetic energy 0.5 joules and potential energy 0.4 joules. The amplitude of oscillation is, potential energy is 0 at mean position. Come on, take a pause and try the question. So I am going to show the next question on screen. See the question number 47. A ball of mass M hanging from a spring oscillates with a time period of 4 seconds. Ball is removed when it is in equilibrium position. Then spring shortens by. They are given 4 options on screen. Within brackets, you can see take G as pi square meter per second square. First option is 50 centimeters, second option 25 centimeters, third option 5 centimeters, fourth option 25 centimeters. Come on, take a pause and try the question. So I am going to show you the next question on screen. Look at the question number 48. The speed v of a particle moving along a straight line when it is at a distance x from fixed point on the line is v square. Given by the equation v square equal 144 minus 9x square. Select the correct alternative. Option A, the motion of the particle simple harmonic equal to the time period t equal to pi by 3 units. Option B, the maximum displacement of the particle from the fixed point is 4 units. Option C, the magnitude of the accelerated distance of 3 units from the fixed point 27 units. Option D, the motion of the particle is periodic but not simple harmonic. Come on, take a pause and try the question. You have to write your answer as 1 if the first statement A and B are correct. You have to write your answer as 2 if the first 3 statements A, B, C are correct. You have to write your answer as 3 if only statement A is correct. Write your answer as option 4 if the statement A and C are correct. Come on, take a pause and finish trying this question. So I am going to show you the next question on screen. See the question number 49. The spring has a natural length of 50 centimeter and a force constant of 2 × 10 power 3 Newton per meter. A body of mass 10 kg is suspended from it. The spring is stretched. The body is pulled down, further stretching the spring to a length of 58 centimeters and released from rest at t equal to 0. It executes simple harmonic motion. What is the speed of the body when it is 2 centimeters above the lowermost position of its oscillation? You have to take G as 10 meters per second square. Come on, take a pause and try the question. So next, see the question number 50. The particle is executing vertical simple harmonic motion about the highest point of a projectile. The particle is at the mean position. The projectile is fired from the ground with a velocity u, an angle theta with the horizontal. The projectile hits the oscillating particle. And the time period of the particle cannot be shown 4 options on the screen. First option u sin theta by g, second option 2u sin theta by g, third option 2u sin theta by 3g, fourth option 3u sin theta by 2g. Come on, take a pause and try this question. So I am going to show you the next question on screen. Say the question number 51. The body performs simple harmonic motion with a period 24 seconds. Velocity 4 seconds after it has passed the mean position 6.28 centimeter per second. The amplitude of its motion is, I've shown 4 options on the screen. First option 12 centimeter, second option 24 centimeter, third option 48 centimeter, fourth option 40 centimeter. Come and take a pause and try this question. So I am going to show the next question on screen. See the question number 52. The uniform spring has an unstretched length L and force constant K. The spring is cut into 2 pieces of unstretched lengths L1 and L2 such that L1 by L2 equal to N. And N is an integer. Corresponding force constant K1 and K2 are. I have shown 4 options on screen. First option K into N minus 1 by N and K into N plus 1. Second option K into N plus 1 by N and K into N plus 1. Third option K into N plus 1 by N minus 1 and K into N minus 1. Fourth option K into N into N plus 1 and K N plus 1. Come on, take a pause and try this question. This question was given one of the previous MSET exam papers in the medical entrance in the past. So I am going to show you the next question on screen. See the question number 53. A cubical block of mass capital M vibrates horizontally with an amplitude of 4 centimeter, frequency of 2 hertz. Small block of mass small m placed on the bigger block. In order that the smaller block does not slide on the bigger block, the minimum value coefficient of static friction between the two blocks is. You have to take G as pi square meter per second square. So within bracket, you have to take small g equal pi square meter per second square. So you are shown 4 options on the screen. First option 0.36, second option 0.40, third option 0.64, fourth option 0.72. Come on, take a pause and try the question. Next is the question number 54. Two springs of force constant K and 2K are connected to a mass as shown in the figure. The frequency of oscillations of the mass is. 4 options are given on screen. So you have to take the mass as a small m here. This question was given one of the All India Institute of Medical Entrances exam. Think in 2005 or so. Come on, take a pause and try this question. See the next question, question number 55. The mass capital M is attached to the spring of force constant K. Then the spring stretches by small l. Here you write small letter L. In equilibrium position, if the mass oscillates with amplitude, you can write small letter L here. What will be the maximum potential energy stored in the spring? First option KL square by 2, second option half mgl, third option 2KL square, fourth option mgl. Come on, take a pause and try this question. So I am going to show the next question on screen. See the question number 56. A simple pendulum of length L has a brass bob. This length L, we write small letter L. The brass bob attached to its lower end. Its period is capital T. The steel bob of same size having density X times that of brass replaces the brass bob, and its length is changed so that the period becomes 2t. Then the new length is, you are given 4 options here. First option 2 into small l, second option 4 into small l, third option 4 into L into X, fourth option 4 into small l by X. Come and take a pause and finish the question. See the next question, question number 57. The particle is performing simple harmonic motion in a straight line of length 10 centimeter. The speed of the particle center of oscillations, if the amplitude of oscillation 5 centimeter per second. Then its time period is. So look at the question number 57. Particle is performing simple harmonic motion in a straight line of length 10 centimeter. The speed of the particle center of oscillations is 5 centimeter per second. Then its time period is in seconds. I've shown 4 options on screen. First option pi, second option pi by 2, third option 2 pi, fourth option 1. Come on, take a pause and try the question. So I am going to show the next question on screen. See the question number 58. Two bodies M and N of masses in the ratio 16:25 are suspended from two separate massless springs of force constants K1 and K2 respectively. If the two bodies oscillate vertically such that their maximum velocities are equal, the ratio of amplitude of vibration of capital M to that of small n is. So 4 options are shown. First option root of K2 by K1, second option root of K1 by K2, third option 5 by 4 times root of K2 by K1, fourth option 4 by 5 times root of K2 by K1. Come on, take a pause and try this question. So I am going to show the next question on screen. Say the question number 59. The graphical variation between time period again at length of simple pendulum is. 4 options are shown. First option parabola, second option straight line, third option parallel to straight line parallel to x-axis. Come on, take a pause and try to answer the question. See the next question, question number 60. A mass capital M is suspended from a spring of negligible mass. The spring is pulled a little and then released. It executes simple harmonic oscillations of period capital T. When mass increased by small m, the period becomes pi t by 4. The ratio of small m by capital M is shown 4 options on the screen. First option 9 by 16, second option 25 by 16, third option 4 by 5, fourth option 5 by 4. Come on, take a pause and try this question. So next I am going to show you the answers for all these questions numbering from 31 to 60. So you can, so that you can check up your answers and you from this. So I will be discussing the solutions of these questions in the start discussion of solutions of these questions in next class onwards. In case you are unable to do good number of questions, I mean unable to answer good number of questions, don't get discouraged. You can always improve if you have strong interest to learn. You can go through the solutions which I will be discussing in next classes. So going through solutions, you can again come back to this assignment to taking some gap. Then again work out all these questions on yourself. So I am now going to show you the answers for these questions. For question number 31, first option is answer. For question number 32, third option is answer. For question number 33, second option is answer. For question number 34, first option is answer. For question number 35, also first option is answer. For question number 36, third option is answer. For question number 37, first option is answer. For question number 38, third option is answer. Even for question number 39, also third option is answer. For question number 40, also third option is answer. Come on, take a pause and copy these answers on your paper. So I am going to show the answers for next 10 questions, 41 to 50. See the question. Look at the screen. Question number for question number 41, fourth option is answer. For question number 42, third option is answer. For next 3 questions, 43, 44, and 45, second option is answer. For next question 46, first option is answer. For next three questions 47, 48 and 49, second option is answer. For question number 50, third option is answer. Can take a pause and copy these answers. So I am going to show you the answer for last 10 questions. Look at the screen. For question number 51, third option is answer. For question number 52, second option is answer. For next three questions, 53, 54 and 55, third option is answer. For question number 56, second option is answer. For question number 57, third option is answer. For question number 58, fourth option is answer. For next two questions, 59 and 60, first option is answer. You can take a pause and copy these answers. I will be discussing the solution. I will start the discussion of solutions of these questions in my next class.